We are at Sepulveda Station, the Expo line. We are going to go to the beach. The skies not so good, but we're not really going swimming, so people will still be out. It's nice still. I just have a jacket on, windbreaker, my normal jeans. But here comes the wrong one. We want the one that's coming on this side. We'll watch it. I'm out of breath because I just sprinted up the stairs. Expo line. This is one of the nicer trains, honestly. I think it's one of the newer ones. Maybe that's why it's one of the nicer ones. But it's nice. I like it. I like them all. LA's got a good transit system, I think. So this is... No, that is... But this is Sepulveda Boulevard right here. And if you go off to the left, that's where I work. That's where I just came from. This train's just sitting here. We're waiting for the one coming this way because we're going to the beach. Sometimes the trains will just do that. They'll pause like that, you know, because they're on a schedule, or maybe something opens up the track or something. I don't know. Kind of just sit there and wait for the doors to close. But as you can see, it's cloudy. It's a very cloudy day. But I don't think, honestly, we're just going to, what I want to go is see the boardwalk. And there's still people there. I've been watching the cams, and there's still people there. We'll find something pretty to look at for sure. We can spend the day. You know, crowded is good. You know. So we're gonna wait for the train and see you in Santa Monica. We're actually on the train. The train's coming.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.